Morning guys, hope you're all well. Super quick video for you this morning for Westfalia Detachable Towbar. We've done loads in the series and this is on an Audi S4, so an Audi A4, and it's the B9 Avant. So the Avant is the estate, if you don't know what that is. It's Audi's own term, but the Avant is no different to the normal cars in the range, so like the Audi A5 as well, but this is the S4, so got a bit of a meatier engine, and this customer wanted a 7-pin Westfalia Detachable Towbar, so Owen has been fitting this yesterday. We've also done keyless entry on that, which we're going to do a video for in a second, so if you've got a vehicle like this, then you can find out a bit more about this. Now, the Westfalia Towbar is one of two brands that we fit on a regular basis. It's this one and also Tow Trust. The key is in at the moment, so if I just turn the wheel and remove the actual tow hitch itself, this is the tow hitch. Tow hitch goes in a little plastic bag and can be stowed away when not in use. And if I put that safely on the floor, part of the kit, you also get little dust caps. So this can sit inside here, simply clips up in there. And if you're not using the tow hitch, if you don't put this in, then it's pretty foolish because dust and dirt and everything else is going to get up in here and you're going to struggle to put the tow hitch back in. So we can simply just take this back out, put that in its little bag. When you're ready to put the tow hitch back in like so, line it up. You only need one hand and that's it. Job done. It's that simple. Most important thing to do is to turn the key. Turn the key 180, take the key out and put that in its little hidey hole. The only thing with these keys is they don't have a little key ring tag, so you know, could easily be lost. Make sure you put that somewhere safe. So that's the key and the dust cap. Now we have our handy trailer board or test board here, and this customer has gone for the 7-pin. Now what Owen has done here is put the electrics on a little pivot. So on this little arm here, when they're not in use, they hide away. When you want them, they just slide down. Now this is one of the particular cars, or one of the cars with the lower valance that needs to be cut out. We use a Dremel. You can use a handsaw or a blade, but we use a Dremel and then a file for a nice, clean, professional finish. A lot of cars already have a pre-made hole, but the hole seems to be for left-hand drive vehicles, so when you're fitting it on a UK-based car, you need to open up the hole a little bit for the tow bar and the electrics. So in the video, you can just see the electrics is popped out here. Most of the time, the hinged cap for the electrics is to the one side, because if it was up the top here, you wouldn't be able to open it, and it's therefore not fit for purpose. So what we do is we get our little test gear like this, and we'll open the flap. You've then got a little, what we call a keyway. This keyway is here. You're going to put the key in and you're going to twist. Actually, you probably don't on this one. No, on the 13-pin one, you actually push and lock, twist in, but because this is a 7-pin with an adapter on, you're just pushing in on this model. So Richard is sat in the car now and is just going to put the ignition on. So at the moment, we've got side lights on. And if you put your foot on the brakes, Rich, so simple as you can see, side lights and brakes on the same lamp in the test thing here, and then left indicator, and then right indicator, and then hazards. And then one last feature is the rear fog light. So that's the rear fog light, and obviously you can see all that working on here. Now, because it's not 13-pin, we don't get the added benefit of the reverse trigger. That only comes with more pins, more intelligence, more data, but not really a big deal. The reason why you would want a 7-pin is for towing a boat, a jet ski, a trailer, a bike rack, and any of those more simpler, less demanding products. If you want 13-pin, generally they're for more advanced bike racks and for caravans, towing a dolly with a car on the back, all sorts of different things, but it will offer you more functionality. And and the extended 13 pin will then also ancillary charging for something inside your caravan, fridge, battery, other such stuff. So if you're on a long journey, your leisure battery is also getting charged. So if we just take this off, electrics just slide up inside like so. And there we have the Westfalia Detachable Towbar on this Audi S4 B9 Avant. If you've got a vehicle like this, then get in touch with us. You get 2 years warranty for peace of mind, and it's all fitted with dedicated electrics, which you'll see on the display, because when this vehicle is in reverse gear, because it's got a factory fitted camera, you're going to get that lovely overlay on the main MMI screen as well. So as I said, if you're interested, get in touch. Thanks for watching.